Whatever her reason was for breaking up with you, when true emotions are involved, everything hurts. You may be mad and angry right now, and you're probably very sad and emotional to say the least. It might be time to take action and make your woman regret leaving you. To make your woman regret losing you, you must not give her attention like you used to, and definitely do not contact her as much as you used to. You can use the free time you have by making improvements towards yourself, may it be mentally or physically. Also, have fun and post it online so she can see it. It would take you a lot of effort since women aren't really that easy to persuade. That said, let's take a look at why she may have left you. Understanding why she broke up with you isn't going to magically make everything better. You won't be able to win her back by impressing her with your deductive abilities all of a sudden, and you're not going to stop hurting and forget about her all of a sudden. But as I said, this will help you do better in making your woman regret leaving you. Unless she has no intention of ever being in a relationship again, your woman's desire to be single almost certainly has a time limit. In other words, if she has no actual complaints about you or the relationship, there's nothing to say that you can't just continue your relationship after she has fulfilled her desire to stay single. Unless she was completely wrong about what she wants, she isn't going to suddenly miss you to the point where she reconsiders her decision to be single. But attempting to sway her decision will almost certainly make matters worse for both of you. Instead, you must make the most of this time apart. If your physical appearance has started to deteriorate since you two started dating, it's likely that it played a role in your breakup. We feel more secure about ourselves as we become more comfortable with our partners, which is a good thing. However, maintaining a healthy balance is always important, and there's a distinction to be made between being yourself and letting go. It's possible that you've unconsciously stopped paying attention to her wants and needs. Over the course of months and years in a long-term relationship, our lives shift, move, and we constantly take on new responsibilities and tasks. You may have begun to devote more time and energy to other people or activities. In any case, she hasn't had the opportunity to spend as much time with you as she would like. A fulfilling relationship necessitates having each other's backs and supporting each other. It's also not surprising that she decided to end things if she didn't feel she could rely on you for emotional support. 3 ways to make a woman regret losing you. Number 1. Improve yourself. It's unfortunate that you lost the company of someone you cared about, but it's sometimes necessary when you're trying to figure out who you are and what you want to do with your life. Consider the breakup as a wake-up call, as it's time for you to take charge and discover your inner happiness. Take your physical and mental energies and combine them to assist you in putting this behind you and moving forward to bigger and better things. It's all about the little things here, and if you keep your mind busy by focusing on new changes, you'll be well on your way to getting over her quickly. Moreover, she will see how well you are doing and wonder if the breakup affected you as much as she did. Changes in your life must be made in a more positive direction. Number 2. Avoid her at all costs. Another way to make your ex-girlfriend regret dumping you is to stay away from her. If you still feel strongly about your ex-girlfriend, it is best if you don't see her at all. It might be hard to completely avoid her if you live in the same city or town, but you can limit your run-ins. You knew her for a while, so you will know where you might easily run into her. For the first few weeks, you can even ask friends and family members to help you buy your groceries if you cannot stomach the idea of being on the same aisle as her. If you know you're not yet strong enough to resist begging her to take you back, don't bother trying to see her. Number 3. Enjoy your free life. You probably think, how can I enjoy life if I constantly think about my ex and have problems with sleep and concentration? So here's a counter question for you. Do you enjoy being in this emotional pit, slowly losing your taste for life? Your girlfriend wouldn't want to return to a pathetic version of you. It's not sexy. You can only make her regret hurting you if you begin enjoying your life. Likewise, your fast recovery will puzzle your ex-boyfriend and make him feel intrigued. So, maybe it's time to change your attitude and start leading a fulfilling life again. One more thing. Your life is not a competition, and you don't have to prove anything to anyone. If your primary purpose is to get your ex back, the above tips will eventually bring you to your goal. But make sure that your boyfriend or girlfriend loves you and is not just using you as a convenient fallback while looking for a better option. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button, and if you have something to say, please leave a comment. Thank you.